make boba. Bill. Let's go. Do it.
What are we doing?
This flour.
Okay, let's pour it in.
After.
Oh. Okay, let's sift it. You just shake it around. I'll finish. Next one.
Or this. Thank you. Okay. There you go.
Dissolve 1/4 cup of dark brown sugar into 1/4 cup of water. If you want to add color to your dough, this is the time to add the food coloring.
Don't forget that. Thank you.
So we added blue food coloring for ours, and that changed our boba pearls to green. And just mix everything all together. So you bring that mixture to a boil, and then after that you turn off the heat and you add about 3.5 tablespoons of the sifted tapioca starch. This was the starch that we sifted earlier in the beginning of the video. And basically have to mix everything together really quickly, otherwise it's gonna clump. But don't worry, if it clumps, it will still turn out fine. This will basically create that starter dough that you need. So with the fire off, and after you've created that sticky consistency, you then add the rest of the tapioca starch in, and you just mix them all together. You don't have to get all that tapioca starch, but try to get most of it at least.
Yeah, those are cookies. Wow! Squeeze it. Can you squeeze it?
Yep. Careful, it's hot, okay? It's hot. Go. So the dough is hot right now, but the longer you wait, the harder it will get. So you can cut a small portion, you can start working on that and wrap the rest in saran wrap, and that will keep it soft and warm.
My turn.
Your turn. Go, eat it. Eat it. Oh, this is the mommy boba.
Wow.
Okay, let's cover it. Let's get a little bit.
Eat it.
Yeah, a little bit. And then let's cover the rest. Cover the rest. It's like Play-Doh. Okay, let's roll it like Play-Doh. Play-Doh.
The Play-Doh. The Play-Doh.
Like this. Gotta roll it. Look. Look, like mama. Roll it like mama. Oh, see, we're rolling it.
It's a straw.
Yeah. Gotta roll it, okay?
It's a snake.
It's a snake. It's like a snake. Hold on. It's like a snake, huh? Okay. Cut it in half. And then we're gonna cut it. Ready?
It's not hot.
Here, help mama. 1, 2, 3. Alright, now let's turn them into balls. Turn them into little balls. Okay, like Play-Doh. Like Play-Doh. No, not like that.
Eat it.
See, look, remember? Make into a ball. Oh, don't eat it.
No. There's too many.
Here, I'm making boba.
Mommy, I forget get one. You get one. Mom get one.
Are you rolling the boba? So this is brown sugar boba that we're making. Clean it up. So let's sample this one for now.
Ooh,
Ooh.
I love it.
Let's cook it. Let's cook it. You ready to cook it? So if you plan on storing your boba, you pretty much stop here and you just let it dry for 4 hours and the boba pearls will harden. But if you want to cook it, you bring just enough water to a rolling boil and you pour all the boba that you plan on cooking inside. Just make sure that that there's enough water, that way the boba doesn't stick to the bottom when the water evaporates. For this amount of boba, which is about 2 servings, we cooked this for 10 minutes and then we added 3 tablespoons of dark brown sugar and we let that simmer until it gets its syrupy consistency. Then we just let the boba sit in there for 10 to 15 minutes. This gave it its perfect sweetness and chewiness. Okay, Caleb, you ready for your boba?
Yes.
Let's see.
Ready, set, go.
So we cooked this in brown sugar syrup to sweeten the boba. Caleb, what color is the boba?
Red.
What? Look at it. It's green. Ready?
1, 2, 3. Wow.
Whoa.
Now straw.
Not yet, not yet. That's your straw.
Now straw.
I think that's good enough boba
Now
for you.
straw.
Alright, not yet. Now let's put the milk tea. Okay, just a little one for you. A baby drink. Go ahead, sample it. How's it taste?
How's it?
What do you think?
How's it? Yummy?
Delicious? Is it delicious?
Yes.
What does it taste like? What does it taste like?
Boba.
Oh, okay. What do you think about it? How's it?
Cold.
Say bye.
Bye. Bye-bye. Stop. 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 Stop, Daddy. I can't cry.